Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your environment, install Roblox Studio, and enable HTTP and API access. Next, open a new place and add a simple part to act as your test object. Once done, install an AI scripting plugin or setup node. JS v18 plus locally so you can run generative scripts. Then connect your toolchain to the place via remote API or plugin keys and create a script file. This is where generation starts. Now you move into generating and integrating code. Craft precise prompts that specify role, inputs, constraints, and example outputs so the AI yields usable Lua. Use the AI to produce modular snippets, then validate syntax with Lua check or directly in Studio's output console. Once validated, implement remote functions and remote events to keep logic server authoritative. Then bind generated snippets into server scripts and test and play solo. Finish by refactoring generated code to remove unsafe patterns and add rate limits, input validation, and permissions checks. You want server authority for critical actions. Then run stress tests in Team Create and monitor memory, CPU, and network to spot leaks. When stable, publish the update. If something goes wrong, check the server and client logs first. Revert to the last working commit and isolate the failing module before reintroducing changes. This single troubleshooting step prevents cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.